आदर किधर है तू? कितने टाइम में घर पहुंच
मैं
रहा?
है 14 मिनट में मैं घर पहुंच रहा है एंड वी विल I'll be in front of laptop and good Wi-Fi.
What does your
तेरे
mask say? It
मास्क पे
says
छी.
जी
wow.
इधर जब तू थाना जा रहा है?
हाँ थाना ऑलमोस्ट पहुंच गया मैं घर पे.
I don't know why he keeps saying Thana. It is district Thana. You live in a
डोंबिवली.
very specific part of that district.
Dombivli, guys, the amount of stuff that is coming up in Dombivli is surprising with superior connectivity.
Guys, this is not a sponsored video by Dombivli.
by the
डोंबिवली ने
way-
डिसाइड किया ब्रो आजकल पब्लिक इधर आ रही नहीं है, चल टेस्ट पे जाके प्रमोट करते हैं डोंबिवली को.
Dude, by the way, someone thought that I was promoting khakda, dosa, pizza. But guys, I don't get paid for that shit.
Yeah.
Do it
He
for
only,
free.
he only,
Also-
no, he only
also
gets
called
paid in.
Kautuk,
He only
Yeah.
gets paid in Neville's annoyances. That's
Yeah.
all he gets
Yeah.
paid in.
no,
And also
Kautuk
Kautuk's
will
family
pay for it.
business is Sepuri wala. He doesn't sell kakra.
हाँ, Kautuk will pay for it eventually.
Yeah.
But
I did actually.
अगर हम लोग अभी पूरा टाइम ये करेंगे ना तो पीछे सब हॉर्न वॉर्न सुनाई दे रहा है, तो घर जा और फिर आना है तो
चल बाय.
बाय.
Cheers.
अभी पासवर्ड चेंज कर दे बाबा, लेट हिम नॉट एंटर. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show where we take random and shocking to episode facts, stats, trivia, and personal stories, and we talk about it. And today's episode is, you already know, but it's just a random episode on dinosaurs.
Chi
Why?
Baba.
Why?
Chi.
Dinosaurs, or as Baba calls them, pets. So I don't know, guys. Why did we select this topic?
Hey, this is what I
topic
said. I told you 30 seconds. Fuck you all, bastard. I've been saying, why are we doing dinosaurs?
because it's fun.
तुम लोग
It's
बोल रहे हैं
stupid.
क्योंकि तुम लोग का बाबा तेरा पेट्स था तो तेरे को मालूम रहेगा सब.
हाँ.
But
personal
also,
stories रहेगा dinosaur के साथ.
who the fuck hates dinosaurs? I've not met a single human being who has not been at least little fascinated by dinosaurs.
I'm
Like,
assuming Jeff Goldblum hates them.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
but he
Not
keeps
Jeff.
coming to see them every movie. Then, bro. So he doesn't clearly.
Ian Malcolm hates them. Jeff Goldblum likes
Yeah.
them because Jeff Goldblum gets paycheck for saying 4 lines.
Yeah. some random type of dinosaur सिर्फ नाम बोलेगा और exposition देगा. Oh, that's a Trachypediosaurus. He usually does this. और फिर suddenly वो हो जाता है.
It tags you.
तो हाँ guys, बताइए तुम्हारे favorite dinosaurs कौन है?
But
I've never had a bond with dinosaurs.
you never had. Why? How come? I was going to ask this only कि childhood में तेरे को नहीं था क्या fascination थोड़ा भी?
नहीं यार, I don't know. It just I think it was also because dinosaurs were portrayed to be scary. Like I saw Jurassic Park. I saw Jurassic Park fairly late. Like I saw Jurassic Park after becoming an adult.
Wow.
Yeah, because you're that old.
No,
because-
Jurassic Park was still Jurassic Park.
94.
Was what? 94. I was 14, but I didn't see it in 1914. I saw it much later. I saw it like at
Thakur.
19 or something.
When Baba saw it, he was finding factual inaccuracies.
Yeah.
He's like,
Like,
this is
नहीं,
not how it was.
मेरा टॉमी ऐसा नहीं करता था.
Yeah, this is not right.
बाबा
मेरा
का टॉमी
Tommyosaurus.
टीरेक्स है. टीरेक्स.
Tommyosaurus.
जिसको बाबा मीट नहीं खिला रहा है, वो सब्जी खा रहा है.
No, man, like for me, dinosaurs, like I think you get introduced, at least I got introduced through those educational books for kids, right? So they have one chapter on like dinosaurs, and there's this it's a fucking giant ass fucking lizard, right? And I remember vividly that it had this photo in this book. It had this photo where, and this is for kids, mind you. I just have to reiterate, this was for children, and they have a T-Rex, and in the T-Rex mouth there is a smaller dinosaur, and blood is coming down this T-Rex's face, and they're like, here, children, appropriate for ages 4 to 14.
और फिर कोई रो रहा है कि teacher, what is he eating? No, that's jam. T-Rex ate bread and jam every morning.
But vividly, man, I wish I could remember the name of that book. But
मैंने भी actually book में पहले बार देखा था. My uncle had got me this book. It was called The Amazon. It was this fat. ठीक है. उसके अंदर literally जितने एनिमल प्लांट स्पीशीज तू बोल ज्योग्राफी सब कुछ भर के था, तो उसमें there was this whole section on dinosaurs. And then cut to like 6 months later पिक्चर आ गई.
Yeah.
And I think I watched it 3 times.
Yeah, man. The
It
greatest-
is just back to back. It's Jurassic Park is also one of those movies that अभी भी आएगा ना, अभी
Yeah.
मैं बैठ के पूरा पिक्चर देखेगा. The first one, nothing like that has ever been made.
Dude,
For sure.
Star World का आधा ratings Jurassic
Yeah.
Park से आता था
हाँ.
for at least some 8 years straight. 8 years
Yeah.
straight
Star-
every
Star
night.
movies का भी.
Star
In fact,
मैं ही देख रहा था वो, क्योंकि मैं
Jurassic
पहली बार देखा
Park,
था।
Jurassic Park is to Star movies what Suryavansham is to Set Max.
Yeah,
Yeah,
full.
was true.
ठीक है
Correct.
वो है. वो
No,
वाला
but
scene.
also like the if you haven't, then please check out the book as well. Michael Crichton. It's based on a
Crichton,
book
yeah.
by Michael Crichton called Jurassic Park.
Hey, is it
And,
Crichton or Crichton?
it is a
Crichton.
proper noun, so it is whatever the fuck. You can call him Suresh also.
Yeah.
Uh,
By Michael Suresh. This book about dinosaurs by Michael Suresh.
So
लेकिन
fascinating.
हाँ, so like going back into now everybody's watched Jurassic Park and you know dinosaurs came out of an injection and then one evil scientist tried to say लेकिन dinosaurs were not like the ruling species say about 250 million years ago, right? उन लोग के ancestors were the lizards, is what I had read. And then the ancestors of dinosaurs were lizards. Like they have two, essentially most reptiles have two vertebrae that get fused in and it's called the sarcum or sacrum or something like that. But in dinosaurs you have 3. So it was their eventual evolution into becoming dinosaurs.
Yeah. And Bawa, as you will very vividly recall, there were 3 distinct eras, right? This was the whole thing was the Mesozoic era. And in that there was the Triassic, Jurassic and Cretaceous periods.
British.
Bawa, which was your favorite?
The Cretaceous.
This whole podcast is just going to be Bawa so old that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but wait, I want to start with something about India. Okay. Because there were dinosaurs found in India. And
They were?
Yeah. And very appropriately, dude, they are called some very Indian names, like classic Indian names. Okay, so our equivalent of the T-Rex is called the Rajasaurus.
Who has named this?
And then they had another version called Appusaurus, but it was literally like four names from India.
No, but
that
one
the
sec. Who
white
has named
people
it
know.
Rajasaurus?
I will find it for you. 1 second. So Rajasaurus is a carnivorous dinosaur from late Cretaceous of India, and he was found in
Nagpur.
no, he was found in Gujarat.
और नॉनवेज खा रहा है Oh, fuck.
और क्या?
मालूम-
कुछ दिन तो
मालूम-
गुजारी है गुजरात में.
So I'll tell you who found it. It was the paleontologist Jeffrey A. Wilson and his colleagues in 2003. It was described by this guy, and it was based on partial skeletons comprising the brain case, spine, hip bone, legs, and tail. The dinosaur likely measured 6.6 meters, that is 22 foot. Okay,
Wow.
and it was
That's
probably an ambush predator. So
Hard.
गुजरात में काफी scenes थे यार. Okay, there's another dinosaur that's found in India. Okay, and you will not believe its name because it is
Badasaurus.
it is a Genosaurus.
Bro, you're just making this shit up now.
No, there is a real
Rajasaurus तो
dinosaur.
ठीक था, Genosaurus.
There is a Genosaurus. The Genosaurus.
One sec. It was a vegetarian one?
Yes.
Fuck
Wow,
you, dude.
shocking.
वो garlic नहीं खाता था.
Shocking.
Let's see. So is from the Titanosaurian sauropod dinosaur, the genus, and which lived about 68 million years ago. Okay, so Genosaurus. The generic name honors the Indian paleontologist Sohan Lal Jain. So the dinosaur wasn't Jain, but the guy who found him was. So Genosaurus. There is another one called, and you will not believe this again, it is called Kotasaurus.
Kotasaurus.
Its parents really wanted it to be an engineer, but unfortunately,
Where is this article on the internet? Is this someone playing a prank on you?
no,
Gautam?
dude. There are Wikipedia articles for these things, long ones, like proper ones, like Kotasaurus, which means Kota formation lizard. a sauropod dinosaur from early Jurassic period. The only known species is this one. It was discovered in Kota Formation in Telangana, India. So it's a Telangana wala.
What is a Kota Formation? They stand in a line for 8 hours?
No.
What's...
So Kota Formation is a geological formation in India. The precise age of it is, so it's a type of what do you call it? Like a rock formation.
Okay, like that. Okay.
So yeah, so that's what this is named after, the Kotasaurus. But we have quite a bunch of what do you call it? Prehistoric things going on in India. The problem is that just as anything else in India, it is not valued. So there is an article
not documented enough and carried forward enough.
So sciencemag.org has carried this article from 2018, and the title is India's paleontologists fight destruction of its fossil riches.
Wow.
Because what is the value, dude? Like public idhar aake khod raha hai, right? That is the BMC. You know what I mean?
और उन लोगों को कुछ बोलना था, नहीं चले काटेगा चल.
Yeah.
मेट्रो बना देंगे चल.
So basically what is happening here is these guys want to buy these sites where they have been hunting for dinosaur nests and shit like that. Okay. And what has happened is that several people from a nearby village gathered to confront them. Locals often assume that outsiders prowling their land are government officials bent on appropriating tracts for a pittance in order to develop them. When we started to explain, a man cut him short and told his fellow villagers, "Your land is gone now." तो तू कैसे समझाएगा, मीनिंग तू कैसे बोलेगा कि मेरे को डायनासोर ढूंढना है तेरे लैंड पे, तो और विलेजर्स क्या ही बोलेंगे तेरे को कि मीनिंग मेरे को जरा सब्सिस्टेंस करने का इधर, तो आप प्लीज थोड़ा डायनासोर की तरह.
लेकिन ब्रो हिंदी में तो वही हो रहा था ना, क्योंकि लॉस्ट वर्ल्ड याद है द सेकंड पार्ट, वो हम लोग देखने गए थिएटर में ओनली टू रियलाइज लेटर दैट इट वाज इन हिंदी.
या
ठीक है.
Oh fuck, what
it was sold out everywhere. उससे चंदन में अवेलेबल था. And somebody told me नहीं चंदन में भी इंग्लिश में दिखा रहे रात का शो, तो उन्होंने बुक कर दिया. उधर जाके बैठे तो चिल्ला रहे बड़ी चिपकली बड़ी. मजाक नहीं कर रहा. It was a thing when Lost World came out.
Yeah.
And they're like, तू इसको डायनासोर को हिंदी में जब भी बोल रहा है तो जोर से चिल्ला रही है. You know that scene where usually there's a scene ना भाग रहा है पीछे वो T-Rex आ रहा है, who never fucking makes it.
Yeah.
Right? He's always like that little bit away. तो वो सीन में वो चिल्ला रही है जोर से पीछे, मम्मी बड़ी चिपकली.
No, but this is so true, right? Like for example, abhi in our country, one of the biggest problems is that because of farmlands, we are not giving a shit about living animals. So the fuck will anyone give a shit about animals that are already dead?
Dead, yeah.
There's no way in hell, right? So paleontologists have a lot of. Firstly, I think like, would your parents be okay if you said that, hey, I'm going to be a paleontologist in India? Like how many times would you get kaan ke niche?
Yeah, many. No, actually, it wouldn't. नहीं होता. कुछ नहीं.
Dude, my parents would be okay if I did arts as long as I didn't do paleontology.
See, firstly, we'd have to explain to them what paleontology is.
Yeah.
Right?
I don't
and
think you would have a
paleontology
problem
sounds fancy enough to be like, हाँ
Yeah.
नहीं ठीक है कर
Because there is an ology at the end of it. So you'd be okay. Oh, था ending में. So you'd be.
But can you imagine going like explaining yourself to your relatives, your extended family at that family function where a chacha comes and asks you, "Beta, तुम करते क्या हो?" And then you have to explain कि मैं जाके जमीन खोदता हूँ ताकि
और
मुझे
hope कर रहा हूँ कि
Oh,
डायनासोर
आप PWD में काम करते हो?
नहीं, मैंने एक डायनासोर ढूंढा है, उसका नाम जेनोसॉरस है अंकल. तो मैं जेनोसॉरस. So it's impossible, dude. It's fucking impossible.
But you know, talking about Genosaurus wasn't vegetarian, was he?
Yeah, it was.
It was
Fully
I said
vegetarian,
na.
right? So
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it must be big because like usually when you see when you compare the carnivorous or the herbivorous dinosaurs, the herbivores usually grew much bigger. Like we first seen in Jurassic Park, you know, the Brachiosaurus or Brontosaurus or Megalosaurus, whatever the fuck it was called. उसका जो इतना height and it grow fucking big is because they were so greedy that they would keep eating non-stop. Sometimes they would swallow whole branches.
What?
Yeah, that's the thing. So because literally they were greedy and they ate so much, they tended to be that much
Dude,
bigger.
ब्रैकियोसॉरस पे हाइमलिक कौन कर रहा है? कौन पकड़ के
The worst will be Brachiosaurus कर रहा है कि अरे हाइम लिख दे और सामने T-Rex देख भाई मैं तेरे को
Guys,
हाइम लिख तो
I
नहीं दे
just-
सकता मैं एक लिख दे सकता हूँ
Guys, I just want to point out that in China, literally 3 hours ago, this news has broken.
हाँ,
Okay.
क्या?
Scientists have discovered a 70 million year old fossil of a dinosaur preserved while sitting on a nest of eggs with fossilized embryos.
Ooh.
Yeah. So,
So
the
that's
fossil
why
of what
this
is
topic is now a topical topic. We tentpole this. We predicted that a big news about a dinosaur was going to break. हाँ तो इसमें क्या है वो चाइना में?
हाँ China में basically this guy who found it is now extremely excited because they're thinking that they'll be able to get into the inside of the Oviraptorosaurus and sort of figure it out because they're saying that dinosaurs likely swallowed stones to help it digestion. As small stones were found.
That's fucking counterproductive. That's why
No.
fucking dinosaurs went extinct. ठीक है?
क्या तू पत्थर क्यों खा रहा है ब्रो?
मेरे पेट में खाना अंदर नहीं जाएगा काम
अरे
कर पत्थर
जेल्यूसिल
डाल क्योंकि वो वेट से खाना जाएगा लेकिन फिर मैं निकालूंगा कैसे वो बात की बात
जेल्यूसिल पीना तेरे को क्या ये पत्थर क्यों खा रहा है?
yeah that's what was missing during the Jurassic period a pharmacy that's giving Gelusil to dinosaurs
करेक्ट वो ऐसा जा रहा है
तो पूछ रहे हैं
Yuck.
अब how many million years till we milk this T-Rex have you
Yeah,
noticed every time we
if
say
I am
dinosaur
doing-
we automatically go like this
Dude,
all the
I'll tell you
dinosaurs do this.
the height of it is that I am doing an act out. Like that's how much we milked it that I am doing this.
Dude, but if they were alive today, there would be like Stegosaurus Rakshaks and shit like that, right? Where you can't.
Stegosaurus Rakshak.
कि तू स्टेगोसॉरस को कुछ नहीं कर ठीक है स्टेगोसॉरस रोड पे किधर भी बैठेगा नो प्रॉब्लम तू बस हॉर्न मारते रहे
अबे लेकिन स्टेगोसॉरस तो वो था जिसपे वो हॉर्न है ना
नो नो दैट इज अ ट्राइसेराटॉप्स
नहीं
I am the-
स्टेगोसॉरस कौन सा था एक
the
बड़ा ही वाला
plated one it had
One sec,
plates
do
down
you
its
really do you know
Yeah.
your
I
Yeah.
really know my dinosaur
even I know my dinosaurs I feel
okay
apart
so
from
should-
Stegosaurus that I got confused with
I just want to just for a second come back to that article about
do you know all the dinosaurs in Jurassic Park? Like
yeah
Di-
everything all the
all.
dinosaurs all
okay.
all the dinosaurs
So at the end of it, I have a game.
okay
come.
cool
Hmm.
okay so now we'll come to I just want to come back to that article about paleontology in India and I just want to highlight some of the issues that we are facing okay because we have an incredible like paleontological resource in the sense that there's lots to be discovered and we have able people the problems that we are facing are very unique some of them are there are very few legal protections and sites often fall victim to looting Varun जरा मेरे को बता
what वापस बोल sorry I missed that I was
the sites the paleontological sites
hmm.
are falling victim to looting
Hmm.
so which means that तू सुबह
somebody is
को-
trying to actually steal dinosaur
yeah so you no so exactly so you are digging in the day and you go like ठीक है चल I'll resume my work tomorrow और फिर तू अगले दिन आता है और तेरा पूरा skeleton गायब
yeah
क्योंकि चाचा लोग लेके चला गया
but ये अभी हो रहा है क्या
I think
Yeah,
it will
yeah.
always happen, na?
these are
I think it will always happen.
then there is little money that is available for excavations and cash strapped universities are curtailing or axing their paleontology courses because of like what we were saying right there's very little respect given to the profession in India and tu kaise hi samjhayega right like what is the thing
अरे
So-
वो फ्रेंड्स में रॉस का मजाक उड़ाता था तो
yeah there we
क्या
go
अभी?
there we go अमेरिका में मजाक उड़ा रहे तो इंडिया में क्या ही होता रहेगा So yeah, so basically there's a lot of that shit happening, and the last is that so what is happening is that there is also capitalism. So basically, companies are buying over the lands and they're not giving it up for any of these excavation and scientific work. So basically नहीं मिलने वाला है
The
ज्यादा
thing is,
dinosaur.
you know, it had its time. अभी early 1800s में चालू किया था, bro. In fact, even before that, when they were archaeological and like digging excavation sites and all were happening, but after a point, the novelty of it is gone, right?
Yeah.
Because you've already discovered so many. Now what you और क्या होगा? उड़ने वाला, तैरने वाला, भागने वाला, कार्निवोरस सब ढूंढ लिया है. अभी कुछ अलग, अभी ड्रैगन वैगन आ गया तो अलग बात है. लेकिन but the novelty of finding, I think, the bones is gone. So
This is also, by the way, the exact motivation of the plot of Jurassic World. This exact same thing.
yeah.
The whole motivation was people are bored of dinosaurs, so we
Yeah.
need a hybrid.
Mix कर दिया सीधा.
Also, just
Yeah,
listen
but
to
they come
this.
up
One
with
of
like the
the-
worst. It's always the worst things that they come up with, right? But the whole
Yeah.
point of Jurassic Park has always been like it's all always mutated. At no point have you actually seen the, and probably like they've got it all wrong because dinosaurs right now, the artist rendition that you see, and I think we spoke about this on another podcast also. It's all artist rendition. We don't really know how the dinosaurs looked like. Like they
Yeah.
gave the same skeleton of the skeleton of a hippo to one of these artists, and they came up with a rendition
Yeah.
for the hippo. It was the most horrible, most dangerous looking thing for a hippo that looks so cute.
So
दांत
basically,
ऐसा निकला है.
what Adar is trying to say is that if you just look at the skeletal remains, right, and you just try to put skin on top of the skeletal remains, you will get a completely different animal because fat doesn't survive fossilization, right? So the fat is completely dissolved. So all you're left with is the skeletal thing, and you're trying to just put skin on top of it. But there's a good
Correct.
chance that the fuckers were damn fat and they were cuddly. Some of
Hairy and
them.
hairy.
Hairy, feathery. So
But they had the early ones did have, right? Because it was basically evolution happening. Bird से, reptile से, तो पहले थोड़े वाले they even had feathers. Is
Yeah,
what-
in fact,
I
there is
just
a- there
want
is
to
a-
interrupt you all with one fact and one tidbit. One of the most respected paleontologists of his
I
time.
thought dinosaurs.
No, no.
Like you
Of his
found-
his time.
respectable dinosaur.
is a gentleman called
Ross
Bruce
Geller. Okay.
Rothschild.
oh no.
Tadang, tadang.
इसमें भी घुस गया bro. इसमें भी घुस गया.
So this thing that that Adar was saying, right? So there's a myth that says that dinosaurs were scaly lizards. Not necessarily. There are thousands of fossils of feather-covered dinosaurs that have been found in China over the last 2 decades. In fact, fossils show that a cousin of the T-Rex called Eutyrannus was covered in downy fluff. Downy fluff is that, you know, the chooze nikalte na.
Yeah, no, it's the jacket that down.
So
Downy.
feathers would have helped dinosaurs regulate their body temperature. So they would have been particularly helpful to smaller animals such as velociraptors. Can you fucking imagine a velociraptor?
But they say
with
like a
feathers?
lot of them evolved into birds, right? And ended up as the birds are the living descendants of dinosaurs.
descendants of all the fucking things. In fact,
मतलब साला ये pigeon जो मेरे घर पे आ रहा है उसका great कुछ होगा.
T-Rex,
उड़ने वाले को क्या बोलते हैं कौतुक?
pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl.
So listen to this, okay? In the early 1980s, a blasting at a cement factory in Balasinore in Gujarat revealed what workers believed were ancient cannonballs. Turns out they were dinosaur eggs.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
shit.
so what happened is once those things were discovered, locals and visitors soon began pillaging the sites. And in 1980s, dinosaur eggs were sold on the street for pennies.
Holy shit.
बालासिनोर में there was a time जिधर तू रास्ते पे चल रहा है और कोई ठेले पे आके तेरे को डायनासोर एग्स बेच रहा है.
Hey bro, उससे ज्यादा हार्ड ये
कितना
होगा कि तू
भुर्जी?
सुबह को उसको तोड़ के हाफ फ्राई बना के
नहीं उसका भुर्जी कितना रात को कितना मिल रही है.
ए मेरा हाफ फ्राई मेरे ब्रेड से मुझे मतलब
तेरा हाफ फ्राई जिंदा है लाइक वो निकल के तेरे को खाने आ रहा है.
this should be the
मैं बन गया हूँ
that should be
बेसिकली
made.
हाफ फ्राई उसके लिए.
जब इंडिया में बनेगा ना dude, this should be the one that's made.
क्या
Fuck.
कि तू हाफ फ्राई बनाने का उसमें से डायनासोर
एक आदमी ने अंडा फोड़ा उससे डायनासोर
But
निकल के
if
अटैक
you
कर
had
रहा है
to
जो
make-
चौपाटी पे.
If you had to make the real, I was just about to make the blunder of the century, by the way, and confuse a dinosaur with a dragon. I was just about to do that thing, and I was going to say, because when Thakur was doing all this, and all, I was like, वो अभी तेरे ब्रेड को भी टोस्ट करेगा फायर से और फिर तुम लोग ऐसे सब बा क्या बोल रहे तू ऐसा
सॉरी
बनेगा
टू बर्स्ट योर बबल, लेकिन डायनासोर रियल था और ड्रैगन
हाँ
हाँ
नहीं है.
In fact, one of the theories for the existence of dragons. So dragons have been very oddly enough, they've shown up in every culture, like in every continent separately.
Really,
Right,
they
so-
have? I thought they only showed up in China. और किधर
No,
है?
no. अरे Ireland,
aliens.
Scotland, America, सब जगह.
aliens.
तो
अमेरिका तो ईगल है.
So basically, the reason for this is like if you see the art, there's dragon artwork everywhere. So one of the reasons is that people possibly found dinosaur skeletons. They didn't know what the fuck to make of it. So they were like, शायद ये उड़ता भी था और उसके मुंह से fire भी आता था. Because
Excellent.
I feel like imagination was at a peak like a while back in humanity. I think it's
Correct.
waned.
Of course it has. No, also I was just I just wanted to know if we had to make Jurassic Park,
Hmm.
the OG Jurassic Park,
Hmm.
okay, in Hindi, I just want to know what the cast list would be. Like who would be who? Like who would be the scientist? Would the scientist be
Amitabh
Shah Rukh
Bachchan
Khan?
as T-Rex.
Sam Neill.
No,
Dubbing
who would be David Attenborough? Like who
David
would be
Attenborough?
Yeah, in Jurassic
Oh.
Park, David Attenborough's character.
Richard,
Oh,
Richard Attenborough.
Richard
Oh, sorry, Richard Attenborough, not David Attenborough. Who would be
Amitabh,
Rich-
for sure Amitabh, dude. That guy's
Really?
But Amit ji, Richard Attenborough.
Yeah. Hammond, the rich guy.
I mean,
Who
that
else would you
can be
cast?
Any old guy.
No, I thought it would be
Om
like a
Puri.
Kadir
Any
Khan type.
old.
I
No,
thought
no,
it
no.
would
Can't
be
be
like a
Kadir Khan.
You'll bring him back from the dead to cast him.
No. But that Om Puri is
This
okay.
is ideal,
But Kadir Khan is
ideal
not.
casting.
Listen,
This
Jurassic
is
Park
dream
would have
casting, right?
the biggest and the most expensive cast only because the CGI budget would be so much that you would have to bring every star just to bring people to see it. So
Yeah.
Would Jeff
Super
Goldblum be
inflated.
Amir Khan?
no, I think
No.
Amir would be Alan Grant, the main guy. You
Then-
need a slightly older,
Then
respectable.
Salmon
Like,
would be.
can you fucking imagine?
सलमान जुरासिक पार्क में T-Rex भाग के आ रहा है, भाई उसको ही बजा रहे गोल गुम.
बचा रहा है ऐसे शर्ट उड़ जाता है भाई का एंड देन भाई चमाट लगाता है
नहीं
T-Rex
लेकिन
को.
नहीं उसका हर मूवी का एंड होता है ना वैसे, लेकिन कि भाई ऐसा खड़ा है और शर्ट फट जाती है, तो सामने
हाँ,
T-Rex
खुद ही.
देख रहा है, उसका भी शर्ट फट गया, भाई और T-Rex.
Fire T-Rex ये कर रहा है और फिर एंड में बोलता है that's why we are being human. ऐसा करके
नहीं.
हट लेगा.
नहीं भाई ऐसे T-Rex का सर पकड़ेगा, T-Rex ऐसे trying to punch भाई, लेकिन T-Rex के हाथ नहीं पहुंच रहे भाई तक. That's
Only other was left to finish to do
The T-Rex.
to do the
Short
T-Rex.
hands.
T-Rex short hand joke.
No, but,
You know why T-Rexes made great secretaries, right?
I don't know.
Short
Is this a
hand.
personal story?
Short
Is this a
hand.
Because of
personal
short
story?
hand.
Because
Oh,
they
nice.
had short hand.
रखना अपने पास कभी T-Rex as secretary.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
मोना प्लीज मेरे फाइल लाना.
एक मिनट T-Rex is non-veg or T-Rex is veg?
T-Rex is
Of
the
course,
most
T-Rex is
non-veg,
a
dude.
carnivore.
T-Rex
Oh,
वेज होता तो
eating-
जुरासिक पार्क में वो इंसानों को क्यों खा रहा है अगर वो.
Yeah, T-Rex has
मेरे
the
को लगा
longest teeth.
Velociraptor बहुत dangerous था.
नहीं
Yeah,
दोनों.
so it's the most intelligent. They say that
Yeah.
if they had actually grown to evolve, Velociraptors would have been the dominant species.
And Stegosaurus had such a small brain, it was only a little more intelligent than a giant fern. Not even me. This is verbatim. मैं अभी जो बोला. The Stegosaurus had such a small brain, it's only a little more intelligent than a giant fern.
You think he was just
Ass.
standing around, just going like,
Stegosaurus
photosynthesis
घास
क्यों नहीं हो रहा है यार?
Fuck. इसे स्टेगा की बहुत वाट लगाई है.
So there's a
So,
myth, by the way. There's a myth that says that the T-Rex stood upright like Godzilla. That's not true. Museums originally built many T-Rex skeleton models in an upright position with their tails on the ground. But researchers have known since the 1960s that they actually must have held their bodies horizontal, like a giant teeter-totter.
क्या like a giant?
Teeter-totter. What is a
T-Rex ऐसा
teeter-totter?
चल रहा था.
It's a-
So
yeah,
all
like
our
on the ground.
jokes are
So-
invalid.
No. So somehow the message doesn't seem to be getting through to the public. When a Cornell paleontologist asked students to draw a picture of a T-Rex, most of it drew it upright. I think popular culture usually takes a long time to catch up with current scientific thinking, Bata says. Even when updated images do arrive, the outdated images still persist and spread alongside. Dude, I feel like you need to like call up Spielberg and blame their mother chode fully for this. क्योंकि
No,
तो-
but it's not Spielberg's fault, right? He's also consulting the paleontologists of that time who were telling him what
no,
to do.
but they've known this in the 1960s apparently.
Yeah,
and
94 में बना.
but it wouldn't be as impressive, right? If the guy was on the fucking ground.
No, but then it
Yeah,
would be
it
the
would be
same.
funny as
अबे
fuck.
giant. अगर if he was on the ground, then it would be like one of those B movies that get made na in the US. Rhino Croc versus Mega Shark, वो वाला.
Oh, yeah.
So it's all like Lake
No, I'm saying
Placid.
then it would just be a reality show. It
Also,
wouldn't be
the
anything.
T-Rex was also a giant scavenger. तो वो खुद meaning मार रहा भी था, but apart from मारिंग, he was basically roaming around and eating
वो
carcasses.
basically T-Rex सबसे आके हफ्ता ले रहा है. ठीक है. उधर वेलोसिराप्टर
हाँ.
खा रहे हैं और फिर T-Rex आ ये देता है कि नहीं? Sorry भाई. ये लो. So basically वो है scene.
But T-Rex had it had 8-inch teeth, the longest of any carnivore. 8 inch का उसका दांत है.
Fuck.
Each two. It's like fucking insane.
वो दांत का फोटो भेजता था क्या स्नैपचैट पे?
दांत.
Classics.
Nice. उसका दांत उसके हाथ से लंबा है.
Further disproving the myth.
You know what they say about people with big teeth?
Teeth.
What?
You know, but
Yeah,
then
they're T-Rexes.
Yes, that's correct. Will
but
you
it's
go out on a
popular
date?
media. It's popular media that actually spreads the rumor. Like I think Flintstones has been the worst at this, at showing human beings with dinosaurs, which is absolutely wrong. Just completely wrong. Where humans and dinosaurs like वो जो dinosaur के tail से slide होके जा रहा है
अच्छा, तू
Flintstone.
Flintstones में क्या ढूंढ रहा था आदर? तू Flintstones
No,
जो
but that's
cartoon
why
है.
that's why children feel that dinosaurs, humans existed at the same time.
ठीक
A
है,
lot
then
of
they
things
grow
like-
up ना, and they realize
Yeah.
कि नहीं है. बाप था
हाँ, but
लेकिन
then
I
वो
love
Spielberg-
the way they use dinosaurs in Flintstones, or just
Yeah.
any
No,
animal in general.
just the concept. I mean, after the Flintstones, that I mean, not after, but like Flintstones is one of the best ways to tell that story of any like animated universe, right? Like you take the metaphor of reality of life and you just put it in that universe, which is what
Yeah.
D is, which is what like you take a look at any of
Jetsons.
these like Jetsons,
Jetsons.
whatever. It's all coming in from that same perspective that इसका एक काम है, इसका ऑफिस है, इसका ये है, एक पूरा
But Baba,
फाइंडिंग नीमो सब कुछ.
No.
Yeah,
So-
but like making it accessible. Huh.
So the thing is, there's one beautiful video. I say you should check this out. I think it's by this guy called Captain Christian. Okay, where he talks about what Pixar did.
नहीं.
What? You?
I was just saying Captain Christian का नहीं देखेगा मैं.
अरे it's damn good. Check
हाँ.
out his channel. He's got some of
But
these
और
outstanding
उसने
videos.
बंद कर दिया अभी बनाना. कौतुक
बंद कर
videos.
दिया अभी.
Yeah,
Correct.
it's
So I think he's moved on
Captain
to
Christian with a K.
yeah, with a K. So he did this video about how Pixar basically. So Flintstones is one type of animation, and then Pixar came and changed the whole game. So basically,
Yeah.
what people were doing until then was that they would take reality as it is right now and put it in a different world, right?
In a universe, yeah.
Yeah, it's packaged as like so. For example, the example he gave was
Finding Nemo.
versus Shark Tale. Do you guys remember Shark Tale?
Yeah.
Oh
This-
God.
This movie
Yuck.
with Will Smith as a fish.
Fish,
So
yeah.
Shark Tale had like was like Flintstones, where they had like a car wash under the sea, you know, that kind of shit.
It's a whale wash, not a car wash. It's
Yeah,
a
whale wash, some shit like that. Like there were racist fish. There was a Jamaican fish. Like it was all fucking
Yeah.
weird. And Finding Nemo was a story about fish. It wasn't
Yeah.
a human story, but with fishes. It was a story about fish, and it changed the whole idea of how you can approach animation.
Yeah, and
So-
then there were those little moments, right? Like all the kids went to school of fish, Like like there were those little moments of reality which they did try
Yeah,
to.
but that's the difference, right? As opposed to humanizing the fish, they anthropomorphize the fish, like creating their
Yeah.
own world. Like what is serious for the
Like
fish? What is
the school of
all
fish
the
was,
fishes wanted to escape. They just wanted to escape out of the aquarium. That was their entire
yeah.
objective throughout the
Correct, which
finding
is what
the
Madagascar, Ice Age.
Yeah.
correct.
So it changed the game. Like, just check that thing out. I mean, we won't link it because let's not lie to our audiences. But
Because people should do their own work.
okay,
Yeah.
I want to.
By
I
the way,
want
you
to-
know what the name Velociraptor means?
fast raptor.
It
Velocity.
means speedy thief.
Oh,
Oh.
Chota.
Tyrannosaurus means tyrant lizard.
yeah, terrible lizard. So there is, by the way, there is a dinosaur called Drinker, who lived during
Fair
the
enough.
happy hours.
Was he the coach of a team?
No. So
ये
he
डायनासोर
was,
रोज रात को "हे शिवा लोको." Beodosaurus.
Beodosaurus.
Drinker was not alcoholic. He was a herbivore, and he was named after the famous 19th century American paleontologist Edward Drinker Cope. So they called him
But you know, they
Drinker.
do a lot of this where they take like the tallest dinosaur that existed is called the Argentinosaurus.
Yeah.
क्योंकि वो अर्जेंटीना में मिला था तो अर्जेंटिनोसॉरस जैसे
Oh,
अपना
it's-
जेनोसॉरस
Fuck. Imagine दादर में मिला होता वो तो. Just-
Yeah, just crushed
दादर में
under a weight of other
दादर को
dinosaurs.
मिलेगा ही नहीं उधर, वो लोग सब लोग लगेगा कि चिपकल ही है क्योंकि
और
इतना crush हो
Dombivlisaurus.
गया है.
Dombivlisaurus would have been a nice.
No, that is just
dinosaur.
Adar Malik.
Dude.
Dombivlisaurus.
There is a dinosaur called Gasosaurus.
पाता था.
पाता था ना?
So this was, okay, here's why it was named. It was a theropod, and it was named by its surprise discoverers, the employees of a Chinese gas company during excavation work. So
गैसोसॉरस
Gasosaurus. There's another dinosaur called Irritator.
Wow.
Irritator. It was
So-
named by a irritated researcher who had wasted valuable time chipping away the plaster added to its skull by an overeager amateur. Despite its moniker, though, there is no evidence that this close relative of Spinosaurus was any more annoying than the other people of its kind.
Wow.
Other people of its kind is a
I
great
mean,
way
other
to put it.
dinosaurs.
There was one called Pegomastax. Okay, it's the it's one of the most weirdest dinosaurs known. It's described as a cross between a parrot and a porcupine. Yeah,
So इसका बहुत सारा निकल रहा है.
it had a beak with teeth that sharpened themselves against each other.
What the fuck?
Wait, what? It had a beak.
With teeth.
Yeah, with teeth that sharpened itself when they grazed against each other. उन लोग के मुंह में रामपुरी था bro, basically.
Yeah.
And it
is
was
a-
a cross
this is a
between a
dental
parrot and a
condition where you're-
porcupine. If two species shouldn't be fucking, they are porcupine and a parrot.
Is it the same one where I think they used it in Star Trek where it's a chill like thing and then just suddenly it gets like whatever dangerous or something like that. It feels like
No,
danger
but
and then it just
that's
goes.
that's the scene you're talking about from Jurassic Park. जब वो मोटा ये लेके
Jurassic Park
भागता
तो
है.
वो वाला है.
वो ऐसा है.
नहीं वो वाला बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Star Trek में भी एक है.
Star Trek कौन देखता है?
हाँ मैं देखता हूँ लेकिन Star Trek में डायनासोर नहीं है वो दूसरे प्लेनेट पे एक है ये.
No, so apparently that dinosaur also, they took creative liberties. Like that dinosaur didn't spit venom. It didn't have any of that shit.
Yeah.
So that's Spielberg was like थोड़ा डाल देते हैं.
But all I'm saying is
किसने
if
Jurassic
Spielberg
Park
has-
का डाला था? It
If
was
Spielberg has
like,
put
oh,
it
why
in
would he-
reality, then it's in
Abhi-
reality. Then
हाँ.
it's finished. Then it's
No,
done.
but
That's
like
Spielberg's
there
thing.
was a Jurassic Park meme that had come where it's like all the park security cameras are switched off, all the gates are switched off, and then cut to Seinfeld. Newman.
So here it says this. The dinosaur is called the Dilophosaurus, and it was given fictional abilities like spitting venom and expanding a neck frill. So this neck frill was adapted from a lizard. I forget which lizard it is. It's a modern day lizard which has that thing, the neck frill.
Oh, there's a dinosaur bigger than the T-Rex. A carnivore bigger than the T-Rex.
Is it?
called the Spinosaurus, meaning spine lizard.
That was in
And-
Jurassic Park 3.
oh yeah, it was in Jurassic Park 3.
The one with the sail.
Spinosaurus aegypticus, yes.
तो अभी
And,
नए
what a-
नए
what a
नए
fucking
जुरासिक
god,
पार्क
dude.
में उन लोगों ने अलग ही कुछ चालू कर दिया. इसमें they've introduced the Indominus Rex.
Yeah.
that they created that shit. no?
Yeah, I know. They made a hybrid, no?
Dude,
Yeah.
the worst one was the sequel. Dude, by the way, fuck, I hate
All the
hate
new ones are
fucking-
horrible. All
One
the
second.
new ones are
One second. I just want to read out the names. Please tell me if you watched these. Okay. There is Jurassic Park, which we've all watched.
Yes.
There
Yes.
is
Lost
the
World.
Lost World.
Lost
Jurassic
World.
Park. Has everyone watched
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Yes,
I
yes.
have not. I have not. Jurassic Park 3.
Yeah.
Which
Yeah,
is
I
okay.
watched it.
Yeah.
Wow, dude.
अभी
Jurassic
लोग वापस
World.
जाते हैं. उसमें
Yeah.
टिया लियोनी
Yes.
है.
Jurassic World also. Jurassic
Yeah.
World Fallen Kingdom.
Fallen
Yeah.
Kingdom.
So
भी देख
that,
लिया.
okay,
Okay.
Baba,
and
listen to
Battle
this.
at Big Rock. Have you watched this also?
No.
No.
What the fuck is
What
Battle
the
at
fuck
Big
is
Rock?
Battle
I
at
have
Big
seen-
Rock.
Uh-huh.
Battle at Big Rock is a 2019. Oh, it's an 2019 American short directed by Colin Trevorrow. It's a short.
Okay,
But
Baba,
I was so
Jurassic
obsessed
Park
with
franchise.
dinosaurs. I was so obsessed with dinosaurs. I saw this movie called Dinotopia. I bought the DVD and watched Dinotopia, which is
Oh,
the
fuck.
worst dinosaur movie I had ever
What the
seen.
fuck is it?
I wonder how that happened, Arthur. A movie
The
called
worst-
Dinotopia was the worst dinosaur movie.
Or had Bobby Deol in it.
Yeah, it had no dinosaurs, no topies.
No, but okay,
But,
Baba, I want you to react to this. Okay, this is the plot of Jurassic World: Fallen Kingdom. Okay, there is a dinosaur called the Indoraptor. It has been specifically bred with the Indominus Rex plus Raptor. Okay, now it's an Indoraptor,
क्योंकि Raptor is intelligent, तो उन्होंने वो वाला use किया है.
and Indominus is indominating. So now they've created this thing. Now here's the plot. At some point, it is uncovered that there are these evil people, these cartoonishly evil people who are trying to sell the Indoraptor on the black market to arms dealers
Yeah. Use as a weapon.
to use as a weapon.
Because
ये
उन
लोग
लोग
डायनासोर
उन
को
लोग को
कुत्ते
train
की
कर रहा है
तरह
Chris
रख रहे हैं।
Pratt.
हाँ,
एक मिनट, तुम लोग ने ये सब स्पीलबर्ग ने तो नहीं बनाया, तो तुम लोग
नहीं,
ने फिर भी सब
स्पीलबर्ग
देखा
ने
है
पहला 2 बनाया और बाकी सबका रॉयल्टी से वो रिटायरमेंट एंजॉय
नहीं,
कर
उसने second वाला भी थोड़ी Lost World बनाया उसने.
Last
I
one
don't
he
think
did.
Lost World-
He directed.
वो
He
नहीं,
directed it.
वो सोया था जब बना रहा था because literally it's nothing like the first.
It
one.
is
No, no,
saying-
so-
it says Steven Spielberg directed.
So
yeah.
they the source material was from the second book that
The novel,
called,
correct.
yeah, called Lost World. Now what Spielberg did is he added a second part to that film where they bring the T-Rex back to America,
land.
San Diego,
San
San
Diego.
Diego.
and the T-Rex is running after buses and
But is it
fighting
good or
buses
what?
and
स्विमिंग
shit.
स्विमिंग पूल से पानी पी रहा है.
अबे
Is Lost World good?
उसके घर के बाहर आता है. You know they are using the typical की लाइट के शैडो में जो जब शैडो आ रहा है उसका कर्टन पे तो इसे देखो
Yeah.
T-Rex दिखाई दे रहा है. Like very कुछ भी था.
Schlocky
मैं तो
horror.
Is it
हिंदी में
as
देखा
good
था
as-
bro पहले
is
बार.
it
No
as
chance.
good as-
no
is it
no,
as good as
no,
JP?
no.
No, no.
Oh.
Because
Nothing
this
is
movie
as
lacked,
good.
like the Jeff Goldblum paranoid character was not balanced out by the Sam Neill character. So Jurassic
Yeah.
Park 2
That's a
and
good point.
3 had that problem. 3 had Sam Neill only, and 2 had only
No, it didn't have-
Malcolm.
No,
because,
में Sam Neill नहीं था.
I was there was
Yeah,
Three is
there
all
was-
about
three
Sam
three was
Neill.
Sam Neill.
3 is Sam
no,
Neill.
like
Jeff
Alan
Goldblum
Grant.
है ना?
really good. There was this really
two.
good. I think it was a video essay or a conversation, or Sorkin might have mentioned it in something, which is that
Read it.
Jurassic Park
Dino-
is not a
Ah.
is not a it, like all
Yeah.
great films that I think Jurassic Park is not a movie about dinosaurs. It's a movie about a father and a daughter. Like it's about a
No, 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 Baba.
no. Which one was
It is no, it's Jurassic Park, but so people say it's a they classified it as a monster movie where monsters come out and kill people, right? But the heart of the movie is Alan Grant, Sam Neill's character, learning to be okay with kids.
Kids, yeah.
Yeah.
So-
sorry, it's that. Yeah.
The movie opens with him with a small kid coming to him and asking some annoying question about velociraptors. He's like, "Yeah, uncle, what is velociraptor?" And he takes the velociraptor ka
A claw.
claw.
And just
And he's
cuts
like-
across his stomach, his neck, and shows the child what a velociraptor
And the
does.
kid is just like, uncle,
Yeah.
uncle, stop, uncle.
and उसका और सैमुअल का बीवी वो मूवी में उसको बोलता है, you don't want to have kids or whatever. He's like, "No, no, whatever." That will be
Yeah.
conversation, and then he starts to protect that girl even from the two kids, the thing. So which is what the story is about, which is why it makes for a great story. I don't know in Lost World क्या है. Lost World में है कुछ ऐसा नहीं.
It's the father and daughter. I think the setup you were reading is the Lost World wala setup, where Jeff Goldblum goes and tries to save his daughter. So it's a
Yeah.
father and daughter trying to.
Yeah, anytime Jeff Goldblum is on screen, the conflict is always
Jeff Goldblum trying to say his dialogues.
no.
No, it's
I think whenever Jeff Goldblum's on screen, there's two conflicts: the conflict and Jeff Goldblum. That's the problem.
No, his Jurassic Park track is, guys, don't fuck with dinosaurs. Nature will find a way. People fuck with dinosaurs. Jeff Goldblum says, I told you so. End of story. Like,
तो मैंने ट्वीट किया था, हमने, how many movies is it going to take for them to realize that building a dinosaur park is not a good idea?
dumb.
Same ही होता है, उन लोग पार्क बनाते हैं और lo and behold,
Varun,
something's gone
please
wrong
check
with the
your,
electronic
please clean your
system.
Twitter timeline. This tweet might not age well.
Yeah.
God.
So, okay, I want to take you through some of another weird motherfucking named dinosaur. Okay, now just tell me what you would call a very fierce but deer-sized raptor. What would you call it? And then I'll tell you what they went with.
A very fierce, but
But a deer-sized raptor. Think of the most famous
Chota
deer
sa.
you can.
Like Chota Rajan.
Bambiosaurus. Bambiosaurus.
Very well
Bambiosaurus.
done. Very well done. Wow, it is called the Bambi Raptor.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Bambi raptor. Oh, famous deer. Okay. Huh.
Yeah. So there is also, by the way, this is I think one of the longest named dinosaurs. It's the
The
Micropachycephalosaurus.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
No, so the current record holder for longest dinosaur name is Micropachycephalosaurus, which
And
means
it's what, 3 inches in diameter. The dinosaur is this small.
it's pretty small. So
You know what they say about dinosaurs with long names.
no, but
They're
It
still
is-
dinosaurs.
it is a Greek name which translates to, oh fuck, what an insult this is, tiny thick-headed lizard.
Yeah. That's what the Greek meaning is actually.
And he was a wee inoffensive creature that probably weighed as much as your average house cat. तो वो बेगम जितना था. Micropachycephalosaurus.
उसका नाम ज्यादा हैवी है उससे.
एक मेरा there was a movie called Lost World or something. The Lost Will Ferrell की थी. It was a comedy movie.
Oh yeah,
in
yeah,
which
yeah.
him and a T-Rex का like लड़ाई चलते रहता throughout the movie, and he says that I can outsmart the T-Rex. It's got a brain the size of a walnut, and then next thing you hear is a big crash, and they ask, oh, what is it? What did the dinosaur throw at us? And then he holds up something this massive, like a walnut.
Yeah.
In that world, the walnuts are this fucking big.
Dude, yeah, Baba is also going to get upset with this. Do you know how
Of course.
Jurassic World ended? It ends
Oh, yeah.
with not the humans fighting.
One
But-
sec, why would I get upset? I don't give a fuck about the.
No, I'll
science.
tell you why you'll get
Dinosaurs?
upset. I'll tell you why you'll get upset because these creatures, they've the T-Rex and the raptors gang up on the Indominus Rex. Okay, and
Oh,
at the
yeah.
end, the T-Rex and the raptor have this moment where the T-Rex is like, "Hey, good fighting with you."
Yeah. But वो भी
And walks
which was also like the first one, right?
Wait, what?
उसमें भी
नहीं
नहीं.
फर्स्ट वन में तो लड़ाई करके मार डालता है T-Rex.
No,
Ah.
no. But the thing is, the first one, it was the T-Rex behaving like an animal. It just burst in to eat something, but it wasn't there to protect humans. It was literally there to eat. Either
Yeah.
it was like, hey guys, we are now the Transformers, and we will protect.
Wait, what?
वो
They
तो सिर्फ
actually
only,
talk.
that's only blue who
Oh yeah, they
does
do.
that.
The Indominus Rex and the Raptors talk to each other.
The Raptors anyway
can
talk to each. Bro, Chris Pratt is talking to Blue, which is a raptor.
Yeah. Also,
और समझ गया.
because
ये चल
because
रहा
they're
It's not in English. He's talking dinosaur.
Yeah. ऐसे तेरे को क्या लगा?
he's trained them.
कि Velociraptor, what's up man? हंस रहेंगे? नहीं.
So Chris Pratt,
Baba is so confused.
Chris Pratt is.
When was the
is-
last time you watched a movie, Baba?
I'm just one second. I'm just saying, Chris Pratt is proficient and fluent in dinosaurs.
Yes.
Yes.
Dinosaur
He's got
is.
clicks
वो
and
ऐसे
shit.
वो train कर रहा है हम लोग को with a clicker and stuff like that. He's
No,
training them like dogs.
Yeah, and he's talking in like he's like stay and shit like that. He has commands for them. So
Is it like you remember the movie Congo, in which there was that
Yeah.
gorilla based on the real movie?
But Congo is fantastic. It's another level
Is it
of
like that? Has he trained the dinosaurs like that?
yeah, he's trained.
No,
the
he's just
dinosaurs.
trained them to follow certain orders and to hunt with, like, he's become part of the pack. There's this guy Dean Strider or something. He's on Instagram and he's got a YouTube channel. Dean, his name is Dean something. He's a South African, and he's part of a pride of lions.
Oh yeah, I've seen
अरे
this guy.
Literally,
अरे एक मिनट,
yeah.
वो डीन नहीं, वो केविन है.
No, Dean. There's a guy called Dean. He's South African. He's part of a pride
South
of lions. The
African.
lions, yeah,
He's right.
they consider him part of the pride. So in a way, this guy is also part of the pride of the dinosaurs. वो जो चार raptors है उसके, he's
Correct.
part
वो
of them.
डायनासोर का टार्जन है ना.
Yeah, he's the alpha. Yeah, technically
Ah.
he's the alpha, and that they listen to him.
टार्जन ही है वो
So-
basically.
हाँ, in a way. नहीं, Tarzan तो उन लोगों का चिंदू पिंदू था. Tarzan wasn't the alpha of the gorillas. Tarzan was just trying to be part of the group.
Okay, let's talk about some theories about how these dinosaurs went extinct.
सबसे वो prevailing एक ही है.
वो comet
Meteor.
वाला.
In the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, उधर एक बहुत बड़ा asteroid आया जो कितना many meters wide in diameter था, and the shock waves went across the world, and any animal that was bigger than the size of say a dog didn't survive. Only पानी में जो public था बच गया, और if तू अगर land पे था तो तू मरेश.
So, okay, that is one of the theories. There are many theories, okay, that have been propagated since then. And I want to just highlight one of the most bizarre ones.
Which came out recently.
नहीं, this was a
ये
while
पाद
back.
वाला है ना?
नहीं, पाद वाला नहीं.
हाँ.
उससे भी थोड़ा और
What is the path
Weird.
वाला?
I'll tell you पाद
The
वाला.
path theory is that they farted so much and they released so much carbon monoxide into the
Methane.
atmosphere. Methane and
वो खड्डा हुआ और
basically.
फिर UV rays ज्यादा आ गए.
yeah.
और डायनासोर्स के पास SPF 15
Basically,
नहीं था.
they created the greenhouse effect without
Yeah.
a car.
Okay, I understand, which is what currently we have a problem with bovines,
Yeah.
where they're
Yeah.
the methane problem. So you're saying that they created a hole in the ozone.
No,
which
so
which-
Baba,
which-
now just imagine.
Increase the
That
temperature
alongside
so high.
volcanoes. That alongside with the volcanoes, I think volcanoes were also a very like extreme this for creating that amount
But
of
I have
methane.
no fucking idea about dinosaurs, dude. Just give
No,
me
so-
a timeline. When were that? Is it before the ice age?
230
Much
million
before.
years ago.
Much
before the
before the ice age.
Okay.
230 million
Up
years.
to 65 million years. So which
Ice
is
age
why
is the healing thing, right? Ice age is what heals the planet.
so basically Baba we first noticed this in cows, right, that they're creating methane gases and it's becoming a problem. Then someone reverse engineered it and they said fuck, dinosaurs were like 10 times the size of this cow, तो उनका पाद कितना होता होगा. And they just went from there. They were like, जब Gasosaurus gas छोड़ता था तो गांड लगता
Also,
होगा.
dinosaurs have been around for millions of years as
They had a
opposed
good
to
run.
humans. Yeah, humans and like our domesticated animals. They've
Yeah,
had
Close
a
to
much
200
longer
million.
run. Yeah.
Dude, can I tell you one of the weirdest things I read recently? It was in a book called
Wait,
it was in a book called
first finish your theory. No, what is
okay,
the
wait, I'll
weirdo
finish my theory. Just before I continue with this, I just want to tell you there's this book called Ultimate Questions. Okay, Ultimate Questions make is written this, that our civilization, okay, is 60 human lifetimes long. On average, the person lives for about 100 years. So if you formed a chain of every person who's lived 100 years, it's 60 such people. That's as long as we've had civilization.
But you're talking about the best way to explain it. If you watch अपना वो Neil deGrasse Tyson का what is the show?
Cosmos.
Yeah, in Cosmos. At the end of the first episode, he puts a calendar.
Yeah.
Okay, and he puts up. He
We are
basically
1
says,
minute away or some shit like
Yeah.
that.
Like you are 1 minute away from New Year's Eve. Humans have, if you take the entire calendar year and 1st January
Is Big
when
Bang.
If you take-
is Big Bang.
हाँ,
Then
Correct.
Yeah.
December 31st, 11:59:59 is how
Yeah.
long humans have occupied the planet.
yeah.
To
Yeah.
give you context.
So far. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, okay. Now I want to come to this theory because everything about this theory, every single thing about this theory is fucking crazy. Okay. It's batshit crazy. So, the theory is the dinosaurs died out because of overactive glands. Okay.
Ew.
Yeah. Now, this was propagated by a guy called, and I'm going to read his full name as best as I can, Baron Franz Nopcsa von Felzow-Silvas.
Kautuk, are you speaking raptor? क्या बोल रहा है?
What's the
Okay, so
Chris
Baron
Pratt को लाना
Franz.
पड़ेगा यहाँ पे तेरे को समझने के लिए.
Okay, I'm going to call him Baron Franz Nopcsa. Okay, he was a Hungarian-born aristocrat and spy,
Of course.
and he was a paleontologist. And
One sec. Was
he
a
was an
paleontol-
aristocrat. He was a spy and a paleontologist. Or was the paleontology his cover?
His
for
cover
being a
as
spy?
a spy is what I was thinking.
I'm unfortunately at a loss to tell you anything about
Anyway,
that.
what is his glandular theory?
So now he has suggested many theories, including
Shocking.
diminished sex drive.
So they're just printing
Yes,
anybody's
stop.
theories now. Is that where it's at?
But Baron's favorite theory was that it was death by overactive glands. He believed that dinosaurs grew to their tremendous size thanks to secretions from their pituitary gland. Eventually, he argued the gland drove the growth of dinosaurs to such an excess that the animals became pathologically huge and grotesque. Nopcsa tried to tie human pathologies to the conundrum of dinosaur extinction. तो उसने बोला है कि ओबेसिटी से मरा है लोग
अच्छा
बेसिकली
मेरे को एक बात बता
Oh shit, there's a
Pescat-
random.
कोई
बता.
पेस्केटेरियन डायनासोर था क्या पेस्केटेरियन
या मोजासॉरस
Sure, there were fishes like they would just be.
क्या
water-
मोजासोरस
मोजासॉरस
मोजे खाता था वो
मोसे खाता था.
मोसासॉरस
मौसा.
वो उसको मोजे आते
मौसा
थे
जी.
मोजे पे वो ठंड लगती थी तो उस मोजे पहन लेता.
मोजे
There's another theory by Fox Mulder. He says that aliens destroyed the dinosaur.
In today's episode of anybody can give a theory
Alien.
about dinosaur
Alien.
extinction, we have a guy who said alien. There's aliens तो is a very lazy explanation. कुछ भी
No,
समझ
no,
में नहीं
no.
आया तो
They're
aliens
saying
बोल
it
देंगे.
they're saying it from a Scientology point of view. They're saying that aliens destroyed them to make room for humans,
वाओ
and they harvested humans on the earth.
wow okay so that's probably the weirdest one more than Baron.
Yeah.
I have three more which are also fucking crazy. One has a very good scientific sort of like a backing to it. So this theory is called the too many males theory. Okay, so in the too many males theory, infertility specialist Sherman Silber has repeatedly asserted that dinosaurs perished because they couldn't find mates. This is much like present day alligators and crocodiles, where
In Haryana.
so present day great one present day alligators and crocodiles, because changes in external temperature could determine the sex of dinosaur embryos. Okay, basically what happens is that he's arguing that climate change caused by volcanic activity and asteroid impact could have skewed the global thermostat so that only one sex was produced. So
I just
basically
want to ask you one thing: is Begum dying?
no, Begum is trying to escape from the
Get
house.
attention.
ये देख,
Oh.
she hopes that
Escape.
How dumb
Yeah.
is this cat? उसको बोल ना सीधा लॉक खोल के बाहर.
dude उसको पता है वो, but I
Also, she's squealing so loudly I can hear her in the mic. हाँ.
Yeah, अभी तक Velociraptor ने figure out कर लिया होता दरवाजा कैसे खोलना.
okay, so
So
there,
one theory is basically कि ये सब लॉन्डे डायनासोर्स थे बहुत. तो फिर
Yeah.
कुछ हुआ ही नहीं.
no, so yeah, so exactly. So she's saying like the eggs of alligators and crocodiles are the sex is determined by temperature. So if the temperature rises, then you only produce male dinosaurs, and therefore they didn't have. It was like they just couldn't find a date.
The hell?
Then next
It's so
theory,
confusing को तुम्हें लड़का हुआ कि लड़की पता नहीं आज 40 डिग्री है
आज
तो
क्या है? 40 डिग्री
आज
लड़का
लग
होगा.
रहा है. कल थोड़ा ठंडी था तो शायद लड़की भी हो सकती. मैं कंफ्यूज हूँ वैसे. इधर सेक्स डिटरमिनेशन अलाउड नहीं है. ओह सॉरी.
Six.
there is another theory called caterpillars.
How is that a theory?
Ah,
I have a theory. Mosquito. मतलब
caterpillar.
So, in a 1962 paper, based on his observations of the devastation caterpillars could cause among crops, entomologist Stanley Flanders proposed that the larvae of the first moths and butterflies would have quickly and totally denuded Cretaceous landscape. Herbivorous dinosaurs would have starved, and therefore predatory dinosaurs would soon be left with nothing to eat.
how much acid had this guy taken when he
Oh,
when he wrote on his
But-
paper? Dude,
they're all-
fucking, you have a theory. It's fucking caterpillars, man. That's how fucking nice
No,
was
no,
done.
but one sec. I'm
These are
saying
amazing
a lot of these
devastation
theories.
it causes during the Cretaceous.
I don't know. I'm just saying that all of these theories seem plausible, but
Okay,
Who?
Bawa. So far, they are plausible. But wait till I tell you the next one, which is cataracts.
oh yeah, अंधे हो गए ना सबके सब.
तो फिर क्या क्लिप से
I
गिर
read
जा
that
रहे
theory.
जा
That's
रहे
it. क्या? अरे
what is the
क्या हुआ?
what is the
अरे
theory?
प्रकाश गिर गया. गिर कैसे गया?
अरे कहाँ गया बता कहाँ गया. Everybody is going
ये
up.
वो सीन है हेरा फेरी का. ओ पाजी में गिर गया.
हाँ, बाजू में गिर गया.
One sec. Just tell. I'm still waiting. What is the cataract theory?
Okay. So, in 1982, by the way, so this thing starts with basically the theories come out from people who are in a particular profession, whatever profession they are in, that's why the dinosaurs died. Okay, so this came from a ophthalmologist in 1982 called L.R. Croft, and he suggested that bad eyesight undid the dinosaurs. Since exposure to heat can make cataracts form more quickly, Croft surmised that dinosaurs with weird horns or crests developed these bizarre ornaments to shield their eyes from the relentless Mesozoic sun. In the world warmed by harsh sunlight, though, Croft expected that even these attempts to shade dinosaurs' eyes failed and the creatures started to go blind after they hit sexual maturity.
तो
Why
बेसिकली
was
गर्मी
sexual
प्रॉब्लम
maturity-
Yeah.
मेन प्रॉब्लम
Why?
गर्मी था. गर्मी से कैटरैक्ट हो रहा है. गर्मी से सेक्स सिर्फ मेल आ रहा है.
Yeah.
गर्मी से लावा आ रहा है. वोल्केनो से उससे और गर्म हो रहा है. हो गया मतलब ग्रीन हाउस
Basically,
इफेक्ट वो भी गर्मी.
global warming. So, guys, if there's one lesson to take away from
Yeah. From our
Dinosaurs.
friends, the dinosaurs.
Oh, by the way, we still have the largest animal like living. Like even taking into account all the dinosaurs, a blue whale will still be the largest animal to have ever lived.
wow.
Oh,
That's
blue
a-
whale goes over 60, 70 feet.
Yeah.
एक था, I forgot, I read it right now somewhere, I forgot the name though. He was close, but he was still lesser than the blue whale at about 50 feet. Argentinosaurus 98 फुट का था.
Hmm.
उसको कोई भी राइड पे अलाउड था. एक्सेल वर्ल्ड में. सर लेकिन
वो
आप
खुद-
ये
वो
आप ये
एक्सेल
राइड
वर्ल्ड
में
में
जाना
खुद-
चाहते हैं सर.
अरे वो
आप
एक्सेल
राइड
वर्ल्ड
से
में
बड़े
खुद राइड होएगा. वो एक्सेल वर्ल्ड में खुद राइड होएगा.
अबे वो
इसमें
राइड
बच्चे उसके बैक पे घूम
नहीं
रहे
नहीं
हैं.
मतलब मेरे बच्चों को जाने सर. आपके बच्चे भी काफी बड़े और मुझे नहीं लगता आप
ये
जायंट व्हील में फिट आओगे. आई मीन आई गेट इट्स अ
मेरे-
जायंट व्हील बट
मेरे
आपके लिए
अंडे-
वो जायंट नहीं है. आपके लिए वो व्हील है.
Wheel.
मेरे अंडों को तो जाने दो प्लीज. मेरे अंडे आ जाएंगे.
नो सर एग्स आर नॉट अलाउड. क्या वो टूटेगा गिरेगा कोई हाफ फ्राई बनाएगा क्या.
Okay, so and the smallest dinosaur, the Argentino is the largest one. The smallest is the smallest fully grown fossil dinosaur is the little bird-hipped plant eater Lesothosaurus, which was only the size of a chicken.
He was quite less compared
Yeah.
to the other. इसलिए Lesosaurus.
He's
Lesotho.
less. Yeah. He's less.
वो less था Saurus.
By the way, the oldest known dinosaur is the Saltopus.
और नमक उसका
He was so old. He was so old. उसने Saurus दिया ही नहीं. उसने पस दिया सिर्फ. लेकिन सर डायनासोर में Saurus है. नहीं ये ओल्ड वाला है.
The
ये पस है.
Saltopus.
Saltopus.
It was a small carnivore.
उसको हाई ब्लड प्रेशर था बहुत. इसका
Talking about
बहुत
blood,
नमक खा रहा है.
Guys,
talking
why-
about blood, they were not dinosaurs were not even warm-blooded or cold-blooded. They were somewhere in the middle.
what?
So they were somewhere in
Gold-
the middle. Large
तो
bunch of them were in the
Goldie-
middle.
Goldilocks
थोड़े
blood.
तेरे cold-blooded थे, but a lot of them were somewhere in the middle. थोड़ा मीडियम ब्लड देना सर. मीडियम ब्लड है.
Also, the first dinosaur to be named, okay, was named in 1824 by Reverend William Buckland, and it was called Megalosaurus, which means great lizard, and it was 9 meters long and 3 meters tall.
Saurus comes from basically sauropod. Sauropods are like lizard-like. That's why ये सब saurus आता है. काफी saurus है. अरे बहुत saurus. Fuck, I can't believe वो जो अपने को गुजरात में मिला डायनासोर उसका नाम
Rajasaurus.
नहीं.
तो
अरे अभी मैंने एक जोक बोला यार. मैं
oh fuck.
बाउसोरस.
Baosaurus. Very nice.
Means must dinosaur.
What do you call a dead dinosaur? Like
Marosaurus.
a dinosaur in the past tense.
What is it?
Thesaurus.
Oh.
What?
Thesaurus. Get it?
Thesaurus. Oh,
Thesaurus.
On that note, no, wait, 1 minute. Kautuk, I want to play one game with you.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm going to tell you the name of a thing only from the 1993 Jurassic Park film,
Okay.
and you all have to tell me its whatever feature. Okay, so
Okay, cool.
we'll start with the easy ones just to make everyone a thing. T-Rex का क्या था feature?
Short hand.
छोटा hand.
Velociraptor.
long jaw. Cleft.
Super intelligent.
They were in the kitchen.
Pack hunter.
No, they were in the kitchen scene, but tell me like appearance wise.
Show you a velociraptor.
ऐसा था.
Okay, fine.
They had the big claw on their foot.
Oh.
Huh.
Yeah.
What is the Gallimimus?
Gallimimus was it was a small orange dinosaur, and they were they were like flocks
big.
of birds.
Yeah,
It's the Gallimimus.
अरे it was that dinosaur जो सबको देख बोलता है ए चूतिए ए गांडू ए तू
Gallimimus.
ये गैलीमामस को थोड़ा संभालना पड़ेगा. चुप बोलने के. अरे
Which was the Dilophosaurus?
वो फोन कर दे रहा था जो
उसके बाद फोन था उसके बाद.
It's the one that killed Dennis Nedry, the one with the frill and the venom.
Yeah.
Okay.
वो जो नकली
Dilophosaurus. That's Dilophosaurus.
Yeah, Dilophosaurus.
Okay, and with the Brachiosaurus was obviously the
वो
vegetarian.
फर्स्ट वाला. जिन लोगों को पहले बार देख के अमेज हो जाते हैं ना उन लोग.
Dude, he sneezes on that girl.
Yeah.
Fucking no mask, nothing, just sneezing.
And the Triceratops was
The three
The
horns.
one with the 3 horns. Yeah.
जो बीमार
जो
पड़ा था.
बीमार
हाँ,
पड़ा.
बीमार पड़ा है. The
Who leaves the
giant
big pile of shit?
Yeah.
Are you
Yeah.
also good? Are you also good with like the Lost World and the
Yeah,
other
yeah.
ones also?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Go for it.
kind of.
Okay. Tell me. I can't tell only.
Looking into the screen because of his bad eyesight.
Dude, Mosaurus तो really है. वो तो
Yeah.
swim कर रहा था.
Mosasaurus.
Big one. That's from the new one. The first one.
मोसासॉरस है वो. मोसासॉरस.
No, I'm
By
trying to
God, they're
right
flourishing.
name. Which was the Edmontosaurus?
वो जो वहाँ पे ऐसे रहता था जुरासिक पार्क के एंट्रेंस पे और वो तुम्हारा टिकट पे खड्डा बनाता था. वो एडमिट करता था तुम लोग.
Edmontosaurus.
Okay,
It was-
there were only
It
two.
had a beak one.
Okay, there were only two which could fly. Which were they?
Pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl?
पेट्रानोडॉन.
Pterodon.
Oh.
मैं बचपन में उसको पेट्रानोडॉन बुलाता था बिकॉज उसपे पी
One is
है
a
और टी
pterodon.
है.
One is a pterodon. What is the other one you said?
Pterodactyl.
No, dude. Here the pterodactyl is not flying. This is a Dimorphone.
Oh.
What?
Wow, that's a dinosaur.
Dimorphodon.
Okay, might be. Must be.
The pterodactyl, I'm sure, could fly, but currently in the map that I am looking at, it is not there. That's why I'm just saying.
There is a
I
map
don't
for
know.
the park.
Yeah.
Hilarious.
There's like an entire like timeline of all the dinosaurs that have
Dude, you know, there was one great t-shirt idea. I forget where I saw it, but it was like someone had made a t-shirt with the island, Jurassic Park Island, and it's like, I went to Isla Nublar. You know how you get like those Disney World t-shirts?
And all I got was this lousy t-shirt.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay.
हो गया बाबा तेरा क्विजिंग विद कॉमेडियंस डायनासोर एडिशन हो गया?
No, मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड है कि तुम लोग इतना जानता है ब्रो
हाँ
डायनासोर।
जानता है। अच्छा मैं भी एक सवाल पूछता हूँ, वो कौन सी जगह थी इंडिया में जहाँ सारे डायनासोर्स मिले थे?
Saurashtra.
Saurashtra.
Oh damn.
Saurashtra.
Disgusting. On
Any
that
more
note,
information?
thank you so much, guys, for watching this episode of Dinosaurs and Puns. We will see you next week.
Dilosaurus.
Varun,
बाबा
please
बाबा
take the
इतना
closing.
गिव अप कर दिया कि वो रुका ही नहीं कि मैं क्लोजिंग करूं, उसने कर ही दिया सीधा खुद से अकेले।
Please,
Bye
कर लो
guys.
closing.
Bye. Ciao.
क्यों? टाइम
If
पास
you
था,
are-
मेरे को
if
तो
you-
मजा आया एपिसोड।
Yeah. If you're a dinosaur, please leave a comment. And if you're a T-Rex, please ask your friend to type.
Yeah. Well, on that note, that's the end of this episode of the Internet Said So. We were discussing dinosaurs for some reason, but if you're a dinosaur, know a dinosaur, leave a comment.
Have a dinosaur.
And, huh?
Have a dinosaur.
Have a dinosaur. Let us know what you've called him and why.
Chances
And,
are, if you have a crocodile, it's probably close enough. It's
Yeah.
probably
Yeah.
survived since
Can
then.
I also just ठीक है यार, चलो bye.
No,
Okay.
Baba, now we need to know what
Now
Now
you
else
have
to
to
do.
complete the sentence.
I was just saying that when we started this episode, all right, I did not think we would cross an hour.
why? We crossed an hour talking about grass. मतलब अभी
Dude,
तो
we managed
dinosaur
to
है।
cast. हाँ, भाई Salman bhai in Jurassic Park would be the most like. You did not expect that to happen, but it did.
Dinosaur with Sonu Sood hai.
So I would be Sonu Sood
Acha,
would be the
guys.
dinosaur who's getting a bus so that the other dinosaurs can escape
Yeah, the fucking
out of it and go
Island
back home.
Nublar.
अच्छा
Yeah.
guys, please subscribe करो, Discord करो, वो सब करो, किसी को शो वो प्लग करने का तो कर लो.
नहीं हो गया।
Hey, हाँ मेरे को करने का actually. Fuck. Baba, thanks.
अरे तूने break किया था ना गौतम?
No. So I'm taking a break from Zoom shows. I'm doing one live show in Mumbai on the 28th of March.
Oh, nice.
We'll see.
It is on a yeah, we'll see. It's on a
We'll see.
Sunday. It's on a Sunday at IBC, which is Independence Brewing Company in Andheri. And you should come for it because it's been 14 shows and it's a well-honed, tight show. So it's working on the vaccine. Come by and I will see you there.
It's right next to IBS, which is what happens before he goes to IBC.
That's true.
Okay, on that note, that's it from this episode. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next week.
AIDS बुलाओ.